question is factorize x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120. As we know that highest degree of this polynomial is 3, therefore it is known as cubic polynomial. And we have to factorize this cubic polynomial. Let us try to solve this question by grouping them into two sections. Now here first section is x cube minus 23x square and second section is 142x minus 20. Now try to find out common factor from first two terms. The common factor is x square. Therefore x minus 23 will be left inside the bracket. And from the last two terms 2 is common. Therefore 71x minus 60 will left in bracket. Now further simplification will not be possible by this grouping method. It means grouping method will not work here. Grouping method will not appropriate for this question. Now we will do this question by different method. Now to factorize this cubic polynomial, first of all we have to find one possible factor of this polynomial. After finding one possible factor of this polynomial, we have to divide given polynomial by that factor. After finding first factor of this polynomial, we have to divide given polynomial by that factor to find the remaining two factors. Because here highest degree is 3 and highest degree decides how many possible factors are there or how many factors we can find. Here highest degree 3, it means 3 factor can be possible. Therefore, first of all, we have to find one possible factor of this polynomial. After that, we have to divide given polynomial by that factor to find the remaining two factors. Now we will solve this question in 3 steps. First of all, you have to write given polynomial equal to p of x. After that, you have to write possible factors of constant term. Here constant term is minus 20 and possible factors of constant term are plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 4, plus minus 5, plus minus 6, plus minus 10 and plus minus 12. Now step 1. Now in step 1, we have to find one possible factor of this polynomial. Now to find one possible factor of this polynomial, we have to substitute these factors one by one in this polynomial. Let's start with by putting x equal to 1. If our selected factor makes our polynomial 0, then we have to stop. Otherwise, we have to check it with other factor which makes it 0. Here at x equal to 1 makes our polynomial equal to 0. It means x minus 1 is one possible factor of given polynomial. Therefore, in step 1, we have to find one factor of p of x. After that, in step 2, we have to divide given polynomial by this factor to find the other two factors by doing long division. And we know the rules of long division. divide dividend first term by divisor first term to obtain quotient first term. And multiply this x square with x, then we will get x cube. And multiply x square with minus 1, then we will get minus x square. Now we have to change its sign. Now subtract it. Minus 23 plus 1 equal to minus 22x square. Now bring down remaining terms. Again follow the same rules. Divide dividend first term by divisor first term to obtain quotient second term. And we know that quotient second term is minus 22x. Now multiply this minus 22x by with both terms of divisor. Plus 142 minus 22, it is equal to 120x minus 120. Bring down this remaining term of dividend. Now divide dividend first term with divisor first term to obtain the third term. Here third term is 120. Now multiply this third term with both terms of divisor. Now subtract these terms from the dividend by changing its sign. The remainder equal to 0. Now in step 3, we have to write dividend formula, and we know that dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here dividend equal to this polynomial p of x, dividend equal to p of x. Now write p of x in place of dividend, and divisor equal to x minus 1 and quotient equal to x square minus 22x plus 120. As we know that given polynomial is cubic polynomial, therefore we have to find 3 factors of it. Here x minus 1 is one factor. Now to find other 2 factors, we have to split this polynomial by splitting its middle term. And we know the rules of splitting the middle term. We have to split this middle term. And this middle term split into minus 12x minus 10x plus 120. Now in next step, find out the common factor from first 2 terms and then last 2 terms. X is common from first 2 terms. Therefore x minus 12 will left in the bracket. And in next minus 10 is common. Therefore pull out minus 10 from outside the bracket. And write x minus 12 inside the bracket. In next step, x minus 12 is common in both the terms. Therefore pull out it outside the bracket and write remaining terms inside the bracket. Hence x minus 1, x minus 12, x minus 10 are 3 factors of given cubic polynomial.